Hello guys, welcome to NOS Tutorials. Today we are going to see how to install WordPress.org locally on your PC. So we are installing WordPress.org locally on your PC. In short, we'll be creating our own database and storing the whole data of our website in our PC. So let's start with it. For this we will be using MAMP. So just click here. Type down mamp.info into your Chrome tab. It's MAMP. Okay, so this is the window. We don't need MAMP Pro for now. You can also use MAMP Pro, but you will have to pay. But if you want to use it free, so just click on free download on MAMP, and depending on your OS, if it's Mac, you can click on this, or Windows. For Windows users, click on this tab, download it. It will be downloaded soon. So for now, you will have to install it. Just go on the location where you have downloaded it. It will give a message whether to run it as an administrator, so click on yes. It usually does whenever you install a new software. So I have already installed MAMP. It takes a bit longer, so I have already installed MAMP. You can see it here. So just double click on it. This is your MAMP window. Now your Apache server and MySQL server are started here. For this, if you already have installed MySQL on your PC, so it has accumulated 3306 port number, so it would be difficult for MAMP to accumulate that port for its MySQL server, this MySQL server. So it will ask you to shift MySQL server for MAMP onto another port. So basically it shifts on 3307, but what I recommend is you should use MAMP MySQL server for temporary and disable the other MySQL which has accumulated that 3306 port number. So for now, let's open start page. Okay, so this is MAMP's page, which is locally on your PC. So click on tools. Before that, you can see all the credentials for your MySQL, the port number. Look what I said, it has accumulated 3306 port number, the username, the password, the host. Okay, so you should remember this. We will be using it in our next steps. So for now, click on tools, click on phpMyAdmin. We have to store the data of our website. Basically, when we use domain name or hosting services, in the hosting services provide us the databases, that is, they store our data on their servers. So to avoid this, or basically if you don't want this, you can install it locally, and then later on you can have your own domain name or whatever you want. So for now, let's create a new database. You can click here or click here to add new database. These are your systems databases. For my website, this is my database name. You can type anyone. This option should be default. If it's not, you should select it and click on create button. So database has created, Eduno. You can see it here. So just open this MAMP, click on MAMP, click on preferences. Okay, click on web server. So this is the location where your MAMP is installed, and the folders that it installs by default. So just open it. This folder is empty, so just create new folder, rename it as Eduno. Actually it should be small e, the same name as I named my database here. Okay, Eduno. So, and now for WordPress, click on, I don't need this tab now, WordPress.org. So we are downloading the WordPress star or zip file, whatever is it, you can download any one of it. So click on download button. I've already downloaded it. Just download it, open it, and extract the zip file. I've extracted it here in the WordPress. You can see this is the folder that I have extracted from the downloaded WordPress.org zip file. Select all, copy all, copy, and just paste it over inside the Eduno folder, the folder named by our database. Paste it. It will take a while. Okay, so these are the files that are necessary for installing WordPress. Let's get on to it. Just a moment. Okay, so we have pasted it here. So let's start the installation process. I don't need this tab anymore, not this too. So just type on localhost / so this is our database and also the WordPress site where we are going to install the WordPress.org. Just click on it. Okay, as soon as you click on that button, this window will appear. It is asking for you to choose the language for your WordPress site. It's English by default. Continue. Click on continue. Now these are the credentials that we need. Okay, we need MAMP. So here is our MAMP. Open web start page. Okay, we'll be using the credentials for our MySQL database. Let's go. Click on let's go. Okay, so these are the credentials that we need. I'm just typing it. As you can see, I've entered the credentials. Submit. Click on submit. Click on run the installation. Okay, so the site title is, suppose I keep the same Eduno. Username is something like Robert Nos, or simply score. Just awarding. Just copy this password. You'll be needing it. Okay. Just paste it over here. Paste it any notepad document. Save it. I'll be needing it later on. So this is the password. Let me remember username, password, your email address. Now it's my email address. Install WordPress. Click on install. Okay, remember, you should not click on this checkbox. Leave it. Click on install WordPress. It will be installed in a while. Okay, so WordPress has been installed as the message is displayed. Click on login. This is your, what I entered is Robert Mouse, and this is the password that we have saved here. Copy it, paste it, click on, for now I'll click on remember me. If you want, or it's up to you, you can click on it or not. Login, click on login. So we are just logging into the WordPress. Great. As soon as you log in, this window will appear. Like I said in the beginning of this video, you will be able to install WordPress locally on your PC. You can see the URL localhost/eduno/wp-admin. Whenever you have to log in, you just type on localhost/ your database where your website is stored, wp-admin, just to log into your WordPress site. And you can store as much as databases, which will refer as much as websites as you want. So for now we have created basically a site, not completely, just installed it, and you can see the pages are already there. If you want to see, just click on just go on to this tab Eduno. I'll open it in on the new tab. You can see this is the website. This is the tagline of our website, the website name, just another WordPress website. This is the inbuilt theme, default theme that WordPress installs it by default. The plugins it installs by default. We just have to clear it. And like I said, we have completed our task. Now you are able to install WordPress locally on your PC. So let me know how you like this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe our channel. Please do it. And in the next video we are going to see how to create a single page application using WordPress website locally, obviously locally on your PC using MAMP. So for now, see you guys for now and take care. Bye bye.